You are not going to believe what I witnessed today. It all started when I was tide pooling and stumbled upon Patrick Starr's family reunion. I gave Patty some pets and washed my hand. Afterwards, I gently poked this green sea anemone and it literally tried to eat my fingers. Then with my lightning fast paws, I caught Mr. Krabs, but he escaped. Next, I saw something white in the water and it turned out to be a spark plug, which I put in my pocket for a snack later. But right after, I saw this huge dinosaur bird attacking something. It turned out to be a floppy eel. The eel tried to escape and was almost successful, but the ninja bird was way too quick. It ended up gobbling up Mr. Eel, and be sure to follow for more ocean videos.